Hey, my name is Dimi. I'm a bartender and an instructor at European Bartender School, where I train students every day to become the best bartenders they can be. We've created these episodes for you to learn some tips and tricks to have a taste of what it's like to be a bartender. Let's go! Hi! In today's episode, we're going to learn more about stirred drinks. And what better way to do this than making a nice classic dry martini. And today, we're going to be making it stirred, not shaken. Why? Because when we stir, we can better control the dilution and temperature of our drink. With a classic dry martini, you have two options, either use gin or vodka. In our case, we're going to go for the gin. We add 60 milliliters of gin, and we will be using only 5 milliliters of dry vermouth. And we're going to be pulling towards ourselves with our middle finger and pushing clockwise with the ring finger for about 45 seconds up to a minute, depending on the room temperature, of course. And to check if you have the right temperature and dilution, just let it drop forward in your hand, taste it, and if it's as cold as ice and not too watery, you're already there. And once we're done stirring to the right temperature and dilution, it's time to strain it out in our glass. Make sure you don't pull up too high, because otherwise you're going to aerate the drink too much and it's supposed to have a nice silky texture. And as garnish, the options are two, either an olive or a lemon zest. I would go for the lemon zest. Zest it nice over the drink so the oils actually start expressing as well. And then express the rest of the oils above the glass, about 10 centimeters above it. Cheers! And remember, if you don't have the right cocktail tools at home, just take any random jar, some chopsticks, or maybe even one of your pens to stir the drink. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.
Hey guys, click here if you want to learn more about European Bartender School, or click here if you want to watch more videos. Oh. Cheers!